Hi guys, welcome back to another video. So today we are looking at a very interesting project called Polkastarter, or the token is called POLS, as you can see here, and it has been going up. It actually went from 28 cent to as high as I believe today around 36 cent. A pretty good move from this coin. But this coin, if you look at its long-term price, it has been going in the downtrend ever since its launch. So it did actually hit around um, around $6 in 2021 bull, and after that it has not found that much success. As you can see, it has been going down, and if you look at its market cap, even its market cap has been going down. So this seems to be indicating that there is the demand for this coin has been so low. So as you can see here, it did actually peak somewhere of around 300, I believe 75 million, and again it did peak again at the same time in 2021 December. So after that it actually went as high as 100 million, as you can see here, in 2024 in April, as you can see, around you can say around 1 year ago. And as of now we are going down, and it has been going down ever since. So let's see what is happening with this project, whether it has any potential or not. So before we move on, this is basically a launchpad, and if you look at launchpads, so most of the launchpads that have found a success are most likely pump.fun, or you can say Radium, or even Toshi, because those have a lot of meme coins, and which is the reason I think they have found a massive success. And where if you look at traditional launchpads in the crypto, we have CD5, we have DAOmaker, we have Bounce. So those have actually been left behind, most likely because they are doing only the IDO of projects that are potentially building as of now. So they don't have that much meme coins, and I think that is the reason why the POLS has been going down again as well. So that is most likely the reason. But from time to time we do have a lot of new users in the crypto industry, and they do actually get interested in these launch pads, and they do buy early projects. So if you look at Polkastarter, we do have a lot of projects. So they have launched a lot, as you can see here, around 113, and that is a pretty big one. They have around 30k users, so that is a pretty big one. Again, they have already raised around 41 million, so that's pretty solid, I would say. And as of now they do have three upcoming projects. As you can see, we have XO, we have Agentwood, we have Zesh AI layer. So basically because of these, the coin does get a lot of pump, because the utility of this coin is pretty interesting one. So basically you do need to hold or stake to actually participate in it. And if we look at its tier, so let's just go to the dashboard. As you can see here, user need actually around 1000 polls to be in the allow list, around 14.88%, which is not that much probability if you, again. So whoever actually is deep into these IDO coins, they can actually hold over 50,000 POLS coin, and they get guaranteed a low list. Basically they can buy the projects when they are in the you can say when they are raising funds, as you can see here. So that's pretty good. Again, the concept has been very old, and it is a solid concept, but it has its ups and downs in the crypto market. And mostly whenever actually IDOs, you can say the launchpad find success, is when we have a bull run. So if we do see a bull run, I think hands on this coin is going over 100 million again if we do see a bull run. So that's the possibility. That means it can easily 2x or 3x if we do see a bull run, because in the bull run we do see a lot of demand for a coin like these because of these IDOs and other things. But besides that, this project does have something that that is pretty interesting. So if you look here, if you look at their product section, we have a gaming, which is basically their gaming project. As you can see here, they have a lot of games, and this one also has its own token, which has a market cap of 5.8 million, and it has been going down ever since its launch. And I have not actually checked this coin out, but still it is in their ecosystem, so that is interesting. They also have poolside accelerator, as you can see here, and beside that they also have their hub, as you can see, where host basically where builders and founders can meet and communicate. As you can see, they do have a lot of events as well, so that is a very interesting thing. As for the Polkastarter council members, if you look here, they have a pretty interesting members. We have Animoca Brand, we have KuCoin, we have Huobi Exchange, we have OKX, so there seems to be pretty interesting one. Basically they the council is a group of independent companies, projects, and individuals that basically help Polkastarter selection process. So that's pretty interesting, I think, for this project. And beside that, if you do look at its listing, it's already available on most of the exchanges, and if it does somehow sees the Binance listing, which is possible because it is available on BNB chain, and Binance mostly does support, I would say, BNB smart chains coins most of the time, so it is a possibility that it may find its way towards Binance, and if it does, this can go up. But I think this coin do depend on overall market conditions. Let's just say that if the BTC or the overall market is going up, they will follow, and if it does go down, most of the people who have seen a lot of losses, they will most likely sell this coin and won't buy any more IDOs, because in a market like this, most of the IDOs do go down. So that is something that you should keep that in mind. And if the market is going up, most of these projects that they are launching will most likely go up because of the market conditions. So that is something that you should keep that in mind if you're planning to buy this coin. So looking at this coin's price action, so let's see what is happening with this coin as of now and where it can actually go up. So as of now, there was a pretty good, as you can see here, it has its big wicks and low wicks. As you can see, it went up like in just 4 hours from 40 cent to as low as 34 cent. And again, as you can see here, the price action is very, I don't like this price action because this is not that much stable. So basically this coin sees a sudden pumps and sudden selling pressure, so that is something that you should keep that in mind. But again, I think the best entry that I'm looking at for this coin is most likely at this zone. So if you're planning to buy this coin around 26 cent to 20, okay, so just a second. So I think the best entry for this coin is somewhere around 26 to 20 cent, and that is the best entry. And if you are able to get entries in this zone, they just say that you put a small order around 24 cent, 26 cent, 22 cent, and 20 cent, and you can sell it as it goes up, because it does see a pretty massive pumps, as you can see from time to time. So that is something you can use to your advantage if you know what you're doing. So that's it, I think. Anyway, this was it. I hope you liked the video. I will be back with more. Thanks for watching.